In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play Just Dance on the PS5. Now, first you will need to get the game. In order to get it, you will go to the PlayStation Store. Then you want to go and use the search bar to search for Just. And if you search for Just, it should be enough to make the game pop up for you. So here you will see Just Dance 2026 edition in this case. So first you will need to get the game. Now once you have the game, once you open it up, it is going to display a code. Now you will need to use that code here on your phone. You need to get this application, I didn't just fart, called Just Dance Controller. Alright, so it looks like this, and once you click on it to open it up, it's going to make you either enter the code manually or you can scan the QR code. So here, if you click on scan QR code, the code is going to be displayed on the PS5 and you will just need to scan it. It's going to verify the code and then you can use your phone as a controller for Just Dance, and then you can just open up any song and dance to it using your phone. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.